So, entrance po, dito yung washing machine, ref, kitchen cabinets, range hood, lalagay yung range hood, tapos yung cooking range o yung lutuan. And then dito sa left side is yung dining, living room area. Ayan, punta tayo sa toilet and bath. So, yun pa yung toilet and bath. So, yung toilet and bath, may provision na rin for hot and cold. Lagyan ka ng shower heater dito para maging centralized. So, ito hot, pwede mo lagyan yung hot ito at saka yung ipo. Okay. And then, punta tayo dito sa smaller bedroom. So, ito yung smaller bedroom. Facing amenities yung window. Ayan. Yung swimming pool. Ayan po. And then, dito naman is yung master's bedroom. May sliding door opening going to the balcony. So, yung balcony po, ang view niya is yung amenities. So, ayan, amenities. Yung swimming pool, lap pool, lounge, kiddie pool, basketball court, children's playground. Saka dito may playground din, may swing. So, partly may view tayo ng LRT. So, yun yung LRT and subway, dyan magkakaroon din. And then, yung Oriana na building. So, ito po yung balcony. Ito po siya kalaki. Ayan. So, if interested po kayo sa unit na to, message nyo lang po ako. Thank you!